Have you ever wondered what cryptocurrency actually is? You've probably heard about Bitcoin. Maybe you've heard people talk about blockchain, digital wallets, mining, or even making and losing money in crypto. But what does it all really mean? And why has cryptocurrency become one of the most talked about technologies in the world? Today, let's take the first step together. Welcome to Crypto Corner. This is where we discover, learn, and explore the fascinating world of cryptocurrency, blockchain, and emerging technology. You don't need to be a computer expert. You don't need to understand complicated financial terms. And you definitely don't need to know everything about crypto. You simply need to be curious. So, what is cryptocurrency? In simple terms, cryptocurrency is a form of digital value that can be transferred electronically. Unlike traditional money, many cryptocurrencies operate using blockchain technology. That means transactions can be recorded and verified across a network of computers rather than relying on one central database. Bitcoin was the first and remains the best-known cryptocurrency. But today, there are thousands of digital assets and blockchain projects exploring different ideas and uses. And here's something important. Cryptocurrency is much bigger than simply buying and selling coins. It has opened the door to an entirely new world of technology. The word crypto comes from cryptography. Cryptography is used to help protect information and verify digital transactions. This is one reason blockchain networks can provide a new approach to recording and transferring digital value. But cryptocurrency isn't magic. And it isn't automatically safe just because it uses advanced technology. Like every financial or technological system, it comes with both possibilities and risks. Understanding those risks is part of the journey. Bitcoin introduced the world to the idea of decentralized digital money, but that was only the beginning. Blockchain technology has expanded into areas involving digital assets, decentralized applications, smart contracts, digital ownership, financial technology, tokenization, and much more. That's why understanding cryptocurrency can become the doorway to understanding a much bigger technological world. When people first hear about crypto, they often ask, "Can I make money?" That's understandable. But here at Crypto Corner, I encourage a different first question. How does it work? Understanding should come before participation. Before buying anything, sending money anywhere, or connecting a wallet, take the time to understand what you're looking at. Ask questions, learn the terminology, understand the risks, and never feel pressured to participate simply because something is popular or moving quickly. Curiosity is good, but curiosity works best when it travels with caution. This is just the beginning. Cryptocurrency leads naturally into bigger questions. What is blockchain? How does Bitcoin work? What is crypto mining? What is a digital wallet? What is DeFi? What are smart contracts? And how could blockchain technology influence the future? Each question opens another door. And that's exactly what the Crypto Corner Discover Guide series is all about. If you're curious and want to explore the topic in more detail, visit the full Discover Guide Nabra Show 01 on Crypto Corner at 5m63.com Crypto Corner. There you'll find a deeper, easy-to-follow introduction designed to help you understand the bigger picture. And remember, you don't have to understand everything today. You only need to be curious enough to discover the next piece. So, fellow explorer, this is where our journey begins. Discover, learn, explore. And next, we're asking an even bigger question. What is blockchain?